7 simple things that make you happy don't require a lot of effort. We all want to be happy, but sometimes it feels like it takes a lot of effort. The good news is that simple things that make you happy don't require a lot of effort, and they can be just as rewarding as bigger, more involved activities. In this blog post, we will explore some of the simple things that can make you happy without requiring too much effort. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, taking a walk in nature, or indulging in a hobby you enjoy, these easy activities can bring joy and fulfillment into your life. Number 1. Get outside. Number 2. Exercise. Number 3. Spend time with friends and family. Number 4. Help others. Number 5. Do something new. Number 6. Connect with nature. Number 7. Meditate. Thank you for watching video.